Hello, gorgeous students. Welcome back to a new tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how are brain tumors treated. But in order to better understand how are brain tumors treated, we first need to know how is brain tumor formed. Then, we need to know what are the types and grades of brain tumors. Once we understand these pieces of information, we will then clearly understand how are brain tumors treated. So, by the end of this tutorial, you guys will be able to explain how brain tumors are formed and graded. Moreover, you guys will be able to explain how brain tumors are treated. Beginning with the formation of brain tumor. How is brain tumor formed? First of all, it's important to know that our cells are constantly wearing out and getting damaged, and unless an organism replaces them at least as fast as they grow, a gradual deterioration will occur. So, in the normal cases, our cells divide to reach a specific number of cells and form a healthy tissue. This process happens in order to repair the lost cells or in order to grow. But in rare cases, a mutation or a genetic change might occur, causing the cell to divide abnormally until a tumor or a mass of cells is formed. So, brain tumor is the growth of cells in the brain that multiplies in an abnormal or uncontrollable way. So, story short, a normal cell undergoes a mutation or a genetic change and becomes a tumor cell. Moving to the types and grades of brain tumor. Brain tumors are graded according to how fast they grow and how likely they are to grow back. Also, it's important to know that not all tumors are cancerous. So, a brain tumor can be one of the two types. It can be benign, also called non-cancerous, or it can be malignant, also called cancerous. Thus, benign tumors are considered low grade, usually 1 or 2, which means that they can grow slowly and less likely to return back. On the other hand, malignant tumors are considered high grade, usually 3 or 4, and can either start in the brain as primary tumors or spread into the brain from somewhere else as secondary tumors. So, the tumor that can spread from a location to another, or the tumor that can enter the bloodstream and spread to somewhere else, is called cancerous or malignant tumor. Therefore, after we have studied the formation of brain tumor and its types and grades, we can now reveal how the treatment process takes place. Accordingly, treating brain tumor depends on 3 main factors: the size of the tumor, the grade of the tumor if it's 1, 2, 3, or 4, and the type of tumor if it's benign or malignant. Then, doctors diagnose the tumor using the CT scan and detect these factors, then suggest the appropriate therapy or treatment. Consequently, doctors might suggest a surgery or a chemotherapy or a radiotherapy depending on the factors detected by doctors.